Samsung fans, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to bring the most powerful performance we've ever seen in a Samsung device. No more Snapdragon versus Exynos debates. This one chipset could change it all. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into what might just be Samsung's most exciting Galaxy S release yet. If you're as eager as we are for this new launch, hit that like button and subscribe for more Samsung updates. Introducing the Qualcomm X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Qualcomm, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at qualcomm.co. Let's back to our video. Now let's break down the details of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that's already sparking massive excitement in the tech world. For years, Galaxy S fans have debated the performance differences between Snapdragon and Exynos processors. This time, it looks like Samsung may finally give fans what they've been asking for, an all-Snapdragon lineup. Alright, here's where things get really interesting. According to leaks from trusted industry sources like Ice Universe, Samsung is gearing up to power the entire S25 lineup with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, leaving out the Exynos and Dimensity options altogether. And Qualcomm promises a powerhouse here. This new Snapdragon 8 Elite isn't just fast. Qualcomm claims it's the world's fastest mobile CPU yet, featuring their custom-built Orion CPU, an advanced Adreno GPU, and an upgraded Hexagon NPU. This trio is set to redefine what mobile devices can do in gaming, multitasking, and even AI-assisted tasks. Imagine the gaming experience, the multitasking potential, and AI-driven tasks all running faster and smoother than ever. Drop a comment if you're excited to see this in action. For a long time, Samsung fans have voiced their frustrations over the performance gap between Snapdragon and Exynos processors, especially since some regions only got Exynos variants. Snapdragon has always been seen as the go-to for raw performance, while Exynos aimed for better battery life. But this time, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might unify its performance globally. No more region-based compromises. Gamers, multitaskers, and power users alike will finally get the full Snapdragon experience, no matter where they are in the world. And it doesn't stop at just the chipset. We're looking at a whole ecosystem designed to push boundaries. Imagine smoother graphics in mobile gaming, seamless multitasking with enhanced AI, and potential camera improvements thanks to the Snapdragon's advanced processing capabilities. This is a big shift for Samsung, aligning more with what the fanbase has been asking for, a global standard in top-tier performance. But what about the battery life improvements we usually see with Exynos? That remains to be seen, but it's something we'll keep you posted on as we get more updates. So is the Galaxy S25 Ultra everything you've been hoping for? With a unified Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the latest tech innovations, and a potential end to the Snapdragon Exynos divide, this Galaxy S flagship may be Samsung's most powerful yet. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about this release as we are, drop a comment below and let us know which feature you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other upcoming tech releases. See you in the next video. Peace.